In this quick tutorial, we will identify and find out how we can upload a banner, a YouTube banner. So in order to upload your YouTube banner, you have to go to here on your name on the left hand side and go to YouTube Studio. Once you go into YouTube Studio, and it will open up your studio with all your videos and everything. So from this drop down, scroll down and go to customization, and once you click on this customization, click on branding, and in branding you can go down and here click on your upload, and here if you find your destination and upload your banner here. Which I have already done it here. So just upload it like that and just press publish, and that's it. And this is how you upload your banner on YouTube. And if you want to know how to create the banner, you go to this website called Canva, and it's a very good website where you can just literally download a made templates, YouTube banner, thumbnail, and so many other things. You can make your logos and everything from here. So you just download one of them and just customize it how you want it, and just download it, and then you can upload it. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.